Thank you so much, Trina. I'm so excited to be here. This is the first time that we're doing an event at naimbitahan po natin ang members ng media. This is also the first time I'm going to be speaking with a podium. Normally, nag-host po ako ng kasal or any other event. But today, I told myself, it's going to be different. Today, I'm going to put on my Luna Aura hat. And syempre, I'm so proud, not just of the product that we're talking about today, but of course of the new endorser that we're going to be unveiling formally, and also of the brand that we've built. Sabi ni Trina, co-founder, because I'm just one half of the puzzle, baby. The other side, the better half, will be speaking mamaya po. Of course, she's my wife, Nika. And I'm excited also na ipakilala kami ang sarili po namin as brand owners sa mga friends natin from the media. So without further ado, let me tell you about Luna Aura. Nika and I started Luna Aura back in January 2022, but the first seeds of Luna Aura were actually planted during the pandemic. Pandemic pa po. In the early days of the lockdown, like many of us, nag-survive po kami sa pagbebenta ng tocino. A little bit of trivia also about my wife. Their family business is actually Pampanga's Best. She's a third-generation owner of the brand that we know and love, the makers of the original tocino. So, yun po yung pinagkaabalahan namin ng pandemya. So, we observed demand for tocino, processed meats, other food products was so high. So, sabi namin, obviously, people wanted to make sure that they were well-nourished. Priority nila yun. Pero we also observed something else. That aside from food products, namamayang pagbid po ang beauty industry. Beauty products were also booming. And I think online entrepreneurs were a big factor in that. No? So we decided, sino ba naman mag-aalala, that when disaster struck, ang magiging priority po natin, K-drama, ube cheese pandesal, at beauty products. Diba? But here we are. So that's really the genesis. That's when Nika and I decided to step out of our comfort zone. From food, we decided to start our own beauty and wellness company. And we called it Luna Aura. Next time ko na lang po ibibigay ang trivia kung bakit Luna Aura. Sa next event na lang kayo punta kayo. Our idea was this. Healthy is beautiful. Beautiful is healthy. But what's healthy and beautiful isn't always accessible to all. So we made it our mission to create supplements that were beneficial, but also, maybe more importantly, relatable and accessible. For our first product, we focused on glutathione. We wanted to create an everyday glutathione. A glutathione capsule that people would take not just for achieving lighter skin, but for its tremendous health benefits. Nika and I had already been taking oral glutathione for years because it was the doctor's advice. Nahirapan po kami, just to share. Nahirapan kami to conceive our second child. And her OB-GYN himself, he was the one who recommended, you know what, both of you should start taking glutathione because it helps. No? It's a powerful antioxidant. We'll hear more about it later. But it might help you conceive your second child. And it did. So we decided to name this new product with ingredients that helped us conceive our second child. We named it after our first child. That's Hope. And that's Hope Glow. And Hope Glow is glow for all. Now, we have a total of 7 products that have taken the online selling world by storm. While you might not have seen these products at your nearest Watson's or Mercury Drug, a quick search in all of the online selling platforms, you have your TikTok, your Shopee, Lazada, Facebook Marketplace, it will show you that in less than 3 years, we have a total of nearly 3 million units sold across all of our products. Today, we shine the spotlight on our best-selling variant. Siyempre, yung best-selling variant para sa endorser natin. We saved that best-selling variant for you. The star of today's presentation is Hope Glow Super. What makes Hope Glow Super special is its proprietary blend of N-glutathione and S-acetylglutathione, plus more antioxidants including Polypodium leucotomos, popularly known as oral sunblock. One of the ways that we have distinguished ourselves in the market is our ability to weave the health and beauty benefits together and explain them in a way that our users are able to understand and appreciate. Nagla-live selling po kami ni Nika. Normally, pangkaraniwan lang po pananalita namin because truly we want our products to be for all. And so, we undertook the serious business of really trying to explain the facts, really trying to explain the science. And nagulat po kami, may mga nakaka-appreciate din. So I believe that's how we define our target market. Pero today, hindi lang po kami niniga magpapaliwanag tungkol sa produkto. Today, we're fortunate to have a board-certified dermatologist to help us understand